Hello, my name is Johannes Altmann from Maschinenfabrik Reinhausen, AMR. As a German-based company and world market leader in on-load tap changers and other transformer accessories, AMR is present basically in all countries all over the world. Altogether, we have around 50 subsidiaries, basically on all continents of the world. One of the countries, which is especially in our focus at the moment, is India, where we are growing both organically but also through some M&A projects. In this context, we met Mr. Darshan Rathod and his company Acumen. They provided to be a reliable partner in all phases of M&A. They have an excellent network all over India. They helped us a lot in getting in touch with the right people at the right time to move on with our projects. We have to say thank you to Mr. Darshan and his team, and we hope to have them on board for our next M&A project.